My video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the new ransomware called Tisak. I'm not sure why exactly it is called like that, but in this video we will find out. Well, my video, however, is strictly for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will show you the negative impact of this ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them. As you can clearly see, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, all other data can be opened easily without troubles. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Tisak ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. By the way, it is called Tisak because it encrypts files and appends this Tisak extension to the file names. So obviously it is not possible to use the data. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. Don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money. And this is the ransom note, by the way. To remove this ransomware, I recommend you to scan your computer with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose by going to the page combocleaner.com. So use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it and start researching the system. Click on Start Scan button. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. After you click on the Start Scan button, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. So, the scanning itself depends on various factors, I mean the duration of the scanning. It may depend on how infected the system is, it may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned, and it may of course depend on other factors too. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature helps you to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, even though it does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. But Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to fully detect and eliminate this horrible ransomware from your system. Just take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium. With premium license, you can request trial and thus remove this ransomware absolutely at no cost. Also, I recommend you to pay attention to the link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data, even though I cannot guarantee that I'll help you to recover the data.